This is a quick guide on how to buy shares of Global Fashion Group SA, ticker GFG.DE, listed on Xetra, with a brief note about the company as an online fashion retail group. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker GFG.DE to locate the listing. Select the matching Global Fashion Group SA result from the search results to open the asset page. On the stock page, check the basic company information and view the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker so you are sure this is the correct stock to trade. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the Xetra market is closed, the order will execute when the market reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to explore the platform.